Good afternoon. My name is Benjamin. I'm going to talk to you about changing your address on your credit report. So up here, we'll put your name, from just an example to Equifax. Basically, you want to put so you put your address here. Then you put delete all the other address. Then at the bottom, put so you then you put send me an update quarter file with all the information you have on my file. And put from me. It's simple like that. See what else I say. Make sure you include a copy of your driver license and social security. If you want to, you can add a bill in your name with the correct address. It's best to have your driver license match your address. So we're going to send it to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Plus, when you ask for an update credit file with all the information they have on file, you get a free credit report. So I suggest you do that. Week 1, send to Equifax Experian, ask for a update copy. Week 2, send to Equifax Experian, asking for a copy of your credit file. Week 3, you do the same thing, ask for a credit file, put in your address. Week 4, do the same thing. So for 4 weeks straight, you're gonna be asking for the correct address. So you should get something back in the mail with the correct address, with all the information they have on you. Let's say if they don't do it, you send them formula, they still don't. This is your next step. Now they're supposed to delete it. If they don't delete it, you write a letter to the Right to the Financial Protection Bureau. You write to them, explain to that you send them 4 letters, Equifax, and they haven't changed it. So you write to them. Let's say if they don't do it. Let's say you write to them and they don't do it. Next person you write to. The Tunnel State Journal. Every state have one. Mine's Florida. Attorney General Florida. You write to them and you let them know that Equifax. You give them a copy of your letter with your driver's license. They still haven't changed it. And this will be the third step to do it. And this is how you change your address. First, do the 4 letters. Write to Equifax Experience. If they don't change it, write to the Consumer Finance Protection Bureau. If they don't change it, then you write to the Tunnel State Journal. Let them know that they didn't change it. They will do an investigation on Equifax Experience changing it, and hopefully they should change it for you. Have any questions, please let me know.